Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, May 18th. So, yeah, we're past the middle of May. We just had some unemployment claims from the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. News came out. Unemployment claims was 242,000. It's better than expected at 253,000. And the previous was 264,000. So we are on a downward trajectory, and that is good. Philly Fed Manufacturing Index was less or better than expected. It was expected to be minus 19.5, and it was actually minus 10.4. Previous was minus 31.3. Now, I do want to highlight here that I watch these the Philly Fed, the Richmond, and the Empire State Manufacturing Indexes because they are really good at giving us an underlying idea of what's going on with manufacturing in the United States. And the Empire State is usually the first to tip over, and then it cascades down. And we had the Empire State last report was terrible. It was terrible, and I really expected the Philly Fed to be way worse than expected, and it was actually way better than expected. And I think that this is sort of giving us a heads up that the economy is just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And that is obviously one of the reasons why the market is going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, right? So, it's good one month, bad the next month, good one month, bad the next month. And that's just sort of the way it has been. And the market's reflecting that. I thought that was an interesting thing. 10 o'clock this morning, well, we have a bunch of FOMC members yap-a-dapping, 9:05 and 9:30. Don't really care, but hey, it is what it is. They can always say something stupid and, yeah, shoot the market in its foot. Right, exactly. 10 a.m. today, we have existing home sales, which is always a good number, or a good one to watch. It's medium impact. We have CB leading index from month over month, and again, another FOMC member speaking. We have natural gas storage at 10:30, and that is it for the rest of the day. So, limited news day. Taking a look at charts. Let's look at the daily chart here. We had a big up day yesterday, and of course, now we're gapping down. Still in the middle of the muck. We continue to be, as it certainly looks like by the economic numbers, we're just kind of going sideways, up some, down some. Nothing to write home about, and the market's not particularly enthused about it. That's the way the chart looks. Taking a look at the inventory. So inventory was up almost 11,000 contracts, and of course the market was up. So we have correlation, and anytime we have correlation, that means the market is acting like it should. It's when we have not correlated or divergence that we really want to sit up and pay attention. So up for both of those, everything's correlated, everybody's happy. We'll just see where it goes from there. Taking a look at the intraday, looking for support and resistance. We have a little bit of area right here above the overnight high at 41.85. And then it looks like we go right there, 42.02. And boy, oh boy, you have to go way up to get any kind of confluence, 42.39. On the bottom side, below the low, 41.53. 41.34, and wow, we got a big support level at 41.21.50. Those are your support and resistance levels for today. The Stock Traders Almanac gives us a 38.1% chance the market will be up. And I know that was the same exact number as yesterday, and I actually looked it up twice just to make sure, because usually that's not the case. You have two numbers that are the same back to back. But yes, 38.1% chance the market will go up, which means it has a 62.9% chance the market will go down. So that's the historical bias is bearish. We'll have to see how that plays out. Remember to subscribe, like, comment. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the TroyLevels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.